Do you know what my wife said to me once? She said, "You, a stand-up comedian? Don't be ridiculous. Everyone will laugh at you."
Hello, my name's Ron Aldridge. I'm the writer of this piece, My Dog's Got No Nose. But it's basically about a man about to make his debut as a stand-up comedian. But of course there are twists and turns in the play, so everything's not quite what it seems.
Do you know, I blame my mother. I do. I mean, I was never really given the facts of life as such. No, you see, when I was a teenager, I was given just 2 bits of advice. Now you've started taking girls out, she said, remember these 2 things. 1, always act like a gentleman. And 2, never punch girls in the stomach.
But what happens in this, as the play progresses, we find out what's going on, why this man is about to make his debut, how that's happened, what that story is. And then near the end of the play takes a real twist. It turns and the play changes. It is basically a comedy, so you're going to have a lot of laughs when you come and see it. But of course, it's also, we end up with a tear in the eye, and the play changes as we progress and we find out about the journey. And the play turns, and the audience become very silent because they're very involved in this moment. We think that that's what the play's about. And then suddenly, there's another twist, which turns the play upside down on its head, and people don't see it coming. And it's really very nice for us.
I mean, Roger was so negative. I mean, you hear of some people who think the glass is half full, and some who think the glass is half empty. Well, he has trouble finding the glass. That's how bad he is. People should come and see the show, My Dog's Got No Nose, because it is a fantastic play. It's got everything that you'd want from a play. The audience will leave feeling very satisfied. There's laughter in there, there's the drama in there, there's the comedy, there's the tragedy. 1 minute they're laughing, the next minute, people are crying. It is a great night out at the theatre, so you must come and see it. You won't be disappointed.